Good day everyone, here is another tutorial on how to unlock Nokia TA-1212. As you can see, I'm inputting my password, but it's telling me code error. Let me try again. Look at it, it will say code error. So what I just do is to format everything. What I mean by formatting is you are going to format it like you reset the mobile phone. It's not that you are going to format the firmware. Just make sure you back up if you are not sure of this, but let your flashing tools, Miracle, stay on safe mode. I think you can see it now. Don't forget to select format, then you hit on start button. It will prompt you, do you want to back up, yes or no? If you want to back it up, go ahead and do so. It is important. Then you now connect your cable with your mobile phone. Remove the battery and insert it again, then plug your cable. Make sure you press and hold this boot button if you want to connect the cable. Now the formatting begins. If you come across any error, that means you don't have good driver. Download and install necessary driver before you start flashing. I think you can see it. It's formatting right away. So let us wait and make sure that you didn't shake your cable if you don't want to break your phone. Done. Now remove the battery and insert it again, then power it on to see whether the code is still there or it has been wiped away. Yeah, as you can see, everything is cleared. Now select English and choose necessary thing that you need to choose. Done. Everything is clear now. You are good to go to make use of your mobile phone. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share with friends. Bye for now.